Introduction to major cyber breaches in India. Cyber breaches in India have been on the rise, targeting various industries, from banks to e-commerce platforms. The goal is to steal sensitive data, disrupt services, or demand ransom. Now, let's dive into some of the biggest cyber breaches incidents. Noteworthy cyber breaches in India. First, Aadhaar breach. Incident. In 2018, personal data of over 1.1 billion Indian citizens were compromised through Aadhaar, the national ID database. Impact: exposed sensitive data like bank account details and personal information. Key learning: the need for better encryption and stringent privacy controls in national database. Second, Haldiram's ransomware attack. Incident: the Indian snack giant Haldiram's faced a ransomware attack in 2020. Impact: hackers encrypted business data and demanded ransom for its release, disrupting business operations. Key learning: regular data backups and robust endpoint security can mitigate the impact of ransomware attacks. Third, Union Bank of India hack. Incident: in 2016, a phishing attack led to the compromise of $171 million. Impact: the bank managed to recover the money, but it highlighted vulnerabilities in email security. Key learnings: employee training and awareness around phishing can help avoid such breaches. The importance of cybersecurity in India. With incidents like these, it's clear that cybersecurity should be a top priority for Indian organizations. Key areas to focus on include strong firewalls and antivirus software to block unauthorized access. Data encryption ensures sensitive information is unreadable if stolen. Regular security audits detects vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. Employee awareness. Regular training on identifying phishing scams and secure internet practices. What businesses can learn from cyber breaches? First, implement multi-factor authentication or MFA. It protects critical systems with multiple layers of security. Second, backup data regularly. Ensures swift recovery in case of ransomware or data loss. Third, develop a cyber incident response plan. Knowing how to respond minimizes downtime and reputational damage. The growing threat of cyber attacks in India highlights the need for a protective approach to cyber security. From better data encryption to educating employees about phishing, every business must stay prepared for the next potential attack.